We out here.
Boy, it feels good to come home and find this on the porch. Yeah. Some 6-gill rods. You're gonna need some tools to get in the packaging, but they don't play around. 6-gill got this packaged very well. Get your screwdrivers, pliers, and needle nose, whatnot. Not play around. Depends if I want to get one. A couple sagas. Sagas. Even this is wrapped very nicely. Pull that out. You got one at the top. This is tape to the end of the rod. There. Get it on there without smashing something. Saga 7'3", medium heavy, one piece. Yep, got the split grip. Same one, that's the same one. It's a 7'3", medium heavy. Okay. 460 round. I'll probably make only one. So I'll put your name in the using it's a racket. Like spider. Spider. I guess so. Because I think about it. Yeah, well, log see. You know, sticker. .7'3", medium heavy. Saga series casting rod, and I'm gonna pair these up with the Okuma Convector CV 354 LX. LX is for the left hand. I use the left hand retrieve because that's the same way I fish with my spinning reel. With my spinning setup, I hold my pole in my right hand and I reel with my left. So that's the same thing I do with my casting rods. I mean, bait caster reels. Nice big crank. It's a line counter. So that's one. And I got another Convector CV 354 LX. I'm gonna put on the other Saga. So I got two Convectors. Don't be afraid to make your own combos. Heard that from old Captain Jeff about 9-10 years ago. He's out of Florida. Old Captain Jeff, I think that's him. It's been that long. So this is the Saga 6-gill with Okuma Convector. I'm taking these out rock cod fishing. It's a bass rod for rock cod, lane cods, things like that. Yes, yes. Ooh, Okuma. Okuma. Do that, and I guess I could just slow it down in the film. But the thing about these convectors, it has this on and off switch here. But if you have it on, you can just hold that down and let the line out. So if you know you rock fishing and you feeling bottom, you can reel up. Then you bouncing and you don't feel the bottom, you just hold that and it'll go down. And you let it go and it'll stop. So it's basically, I think it's like for trolling, setting back, easy, and like walleye back bouncing, trolling, things like that. So, whoa, I think I was like, hey, it's got a line counter. I see the fish down at a certain depth. I can be right on top of them. If I hit the bottom, I can know the depth of the bottom and be in that range of where the bottom is. In my mind, that's my theory of things with the line counters. Being in the strike zone. But sometimes the fish ain't on the bottom. They might be, 20 feet above the bottom for some reason with the bait. Or you can see a big bait ball and you want to get in that zone, you can drop it in that zone. So that's the reason for the line counter and for trolling, whatever. And what I'm putting on these reels is Cast King braided line, so 30-pound braided line. It's what is this? I think it's low vis gray. Should have got some blue. Coordinate with the old Saga Sixgill blue. So about to line these things up. Going out tomorrow on old Huck Finn, I think it is. The new Huck Finn with Real Ninja, Bill Graham, and a host of their friends. They do this, they have this rock fishing trip every year. Once a year, it's an annual thing that Real Ninja, Derek, and Bill Graham puts on. So it's only, it's a charter boat, but it's only gonna be, I think 20 of us on the boat, something like that. So, yeah, this is my twins. 20 twins. Yeah. Hit the ceilings. Out there, the old fish like, ah. I just hope these can deal with the amount of weight that might need to be required. But I'll test that out when I line them up. I'll put an 8 ounce on it and see how much bend is already in it. But we'll find out. We'll learn tomorrow. So that's my 20 twins. Nice cranks on the old Okuma Convectors. Yes, it's a nice setup here. We're gonna go see if it works out for me. Yes. I like it a lot. We gotcha. it.